Have you just battered him?
What the fuck are you doing? Oh, thanks, Jude.
Kurt, keep an eye on him, because he's coming back out the door. Kurt, get him! I can't revive him. In fact, fuck that. Is that Reese I brought back? Right, get the other dude, Kurt, while I get this Uzi out. Reese! Behave yourself! Hang on, I'm gonna get me mate. I don't know why I'm doing this, but...
Hey, Jude.
He's a friend's dude, he's nice, he's
You
nice.
wanna have a vector?
You evil bastard! Who smashed him then? Yeah, you hit me, I'm gonna fucking spray the shit out of you. Reese! We're not. I hit you with one bullet and you fucking dropped like a sack of shit. I told you not to fucking hit me, you twat, but you wouldn't listen, would ya? He's just fucking... Oh, my throat. No, Curtis, no. No, Curtis, no. Curtis, I love you. Come back. Kurt, you dick. Yeah, bring me back, bring me back, bring me back, bring me back. My throat is killing me, man, through laughing. I've got a bad throat as it is, and you battering me and fucking... I'm missing because I'm using the